Well, good morning, friends. Another windy day in Idaho. Hey, you guys grab that coffee, man, because I don't know how long today's video is, but we're waiting on parts again. As usual, got my tools laid out I think I'm going to need. But you guys all know that, or some of you know, I use this treadmill daily. I get this thing right here. I get on it and I watch you guys' videos up here, all you YouTubers. I can't comment on a lot of them, and that's why you guys don't get comments from me, because got the headphones on and I'm just a trucking on that treadmill. Now, I don't know many people that have a treadmill that actually wore it out, but I have. That one is worn out. It's 25 years old probably. She's only lasts about 25 minutes and she shuts down, gets overheated. So what we got coming is a brand new treadmill. And everything in my area has to be delivered, and everything is usually late. This is already a week late. It's supposed to be here today. When it gets here, that's what this video is going to be about. It's going to be unboxing and putting that thing together right there. That ain't there yet, but it should be right there when you see this next clip. And just like that, there it is. There goes the Geek Squad. They brought it to me. That's where we got it. Got this at Best Buy. They were hard to find. We was going to just buy it off Amazon. Everybody said, well, it's going to be a long time. You don't have it. And finally, we checked these guys and they said, yeah, we can get it to you in 2 weeks. So we ordered it. That was a month ago. Anyway, what it is an NordicTrack. And it is I'm trying to look for I know what it is. It's the T Series. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. I'm going to set up a high-speed thing. We'll open it up, put it together. You can watch it in high speed. And then I'll tell you I'll put what it is on here. I'm looking for the exact, there it is, right there. It's the T6.55 NordicTrack. It's a fold-up. I found lots of used ones I could buy, but I need them to fold up to fit that deal. Get in there, and I can get in, use the shop. It's got to fold up. But I'm hoping that it's the same width. Otherwise, we got to do a lot of moving around of stuff. So, all right, I'm going to go get the camera, hook it up on here, and we'll get this thing opened up. Well, first look, she's packaged pretty good. I don't know what's in there. Just foam to keep things from moving around. Got your nuts, your bolts, all kinds of goodies. Probably even instructions in there somewhere. So let's dive right in there and see what we got. And yes, we are high speeding it. Well, got our first oops. You see that thing hanging out there? Anyway, that's supposed to be sticking out down there so I could pull something up through there. I'm pretty sure that's the way that was supposed to be. But when I pulled it apart, the tape stuck to the wire, and anyway, I'll figure it out. All right, let's get back to the high speed. Well, she's all unwrapped. It is going to be bigger than the one I have, so that means I got a problem with where it's going to go. Going to have to figure that out. But there's the control panel. We got it unpacked. I hope it does as much as the old one. It's, like I said, NordicTrack, where we said all that. There's all the stuff. Thing's pretty simple. Stick it together. And here we go. We got some tools with it. We got an instruction booklet, I think. There we go. Now we know how to put it together. Well, what the heck? Man, that tape they got everywhere is very sticky. I'll have to unstick that. So let's start off by, let's see, first thing we want to do is open that up and get to the more tape. Oh, there's something in there. Oh, it's stuck to my pencil. All right. We're going to get to the instructions and I'm going to start putting it together. And you can watch me in high speed. It says you can do something on the computer to register it and stuff, but we're just going to stick her together. There's that wire. It's supposed to be through there. I guess that's one of the first things we do. It looks like number 2. Make sure the, let's see, it says make sure the power cord is unplugged. Okay, I don't think that happened. I think I will go ahead and cut off the wire ties off that thing. I think. Doesn't say to, but it looks like they are. So we're going to do that and get right back on it. Here we go. More. Okay, as you've seen in the other video, this wire had pulled all the way out. And this is important because that's how you pull your wires back up through there. Now, if your wire has gone through there and you're having a heck of a time, it's pulled out and you need it down here, just grab you another wire like a coat hanger. This is not a coat hanger, but a coat hanger will work. Then you push that up through there, hook it onto your wire, and run it right down there where it's supposed to be. Now I can hook it onto there. Got to open up my bolt package, find my bolts. That'll be installed now. I think as soon as I figure out what it is that they got plugged in there, I'm sure it's there somewhere. Oh, I'll find out. All right, let me break in here and show you something. First off, that little screw, they call it number 10. Well, there's a screw in there when you get the thing, but it's different. So pull it out, put in the number 10 like it says. Now then, them bolts there, they go, the instructions are really good. They tell you what package, where they're at. This is the leg right here. That whole section is the leg. All you gotta do is follow the instructions and it goes together really well. They only show you instructions on one leg, well, because the other leg is just the same thing. So that's what we've done here. We're putting this one in here and you drop them in, always drop them in loose, get everything loose, then tighten them up. And I'm using a little cheapy, I don't even remember what the name of it is, but it's a little electric ratchet. It works fine for light duty things like this. So, all right, let's put the other leg on. All right, this is just your covers here. There you go. They just drop, this one just sits down on top of here like so. And this one just snaps down here in it and goes in it like so. And there you go. That's pretty simple, nice cover. Easy to do. So we got that covered up, we'll cover that leg up. They're both bolted on, step by step. Okay, these are on. Hey, yeah, it wasn't real clear what to do with that wire. I had to go a couple pages in advance to find out it goes up through there on that side. These are in there. They're I just use my Allen wrench rather than using theirs because theirs is nice. There's this nice little set, but if I got power tools, I'm using those. Anyway, that's on, that's on. Next part is going to be that part, so we better figure that one out. Well, the high speed quit, but that's okay. All we had left to do was to install this right here. And you can use one of these to hold it up while you do it, or you can use your wife. I used both because my wife got tired of holding it up while I looked for tools. So anyway, that's together, and this is how you put it together. You push right there and you let her down. And oh, look at that. Easy. Maybe that's as far as it goes. I don't know. Nice. Anyway, we're going to program it now. I like that thing coming down like that. That old one there, man, it was all back muscle. So we're going to program it and see how she works. But that's how you put it together. And check it out. I had a heck of a time getting them screws up under there. Couldn't see. Bifocals in the wrong area. Time to clean up, put up tools, and take a break before I hop on this thing and try it out. Had to move the refrigerator over, 3 inches, but we got it in there. Kind of hides my electrical board, but I can slide it out if I need to get it back in there. And that's the way we did the other one. Plus there's a light in there too. Anyway, it's in there. I'm not going to show you how to program this thing. There's lots of people way smarter than me that will show you how to do that. But it does the incline, it does the speeds, it does programs, it does everything that's going to keep me looking young and pretty. No, I'm not showing you my face because it's hot and sweaty. Finally, it got nice out, but it's still windy. Hey, y'all. Trying to give that one to Spanky. He could use the exercise, and it'll last long enough that it lasts as long as he could. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you all enjoyed this little video. Well, I can see myself hitting my head on that. Oh, my. Ooh, dang.